A contributing factor to poor refrigeration temp is usually caused by a bad or dirty condenser coil. Most condenser coils are located under the front of a refrigerator on the bottom of the floor. The condenser coil can be accessed by removing the grill from the front of the refrigerator and getting yourself what's called a refrigeration coil brush. You can locate one of these coil brushes at Sears Parts Direct. The coil brush is designed to slide underneath the refrigerator from front to rear or left to right. Be careful that you don't slide this brush too far to the rear because there's a condenser fan back there that you could contact and cause damage to. Do not be too vigorous or abrupt with the coil brush while you're cleaning the coil. Too vigorous or abrupt motions could cause damage to the condenser coil, which could relate to a very expensive repair. You simply take your coil brush and slide it under the refrigerator, make an access underneath the grill or the front of the grill, and the brush is bendable so that you can make it fit and allocate the locations that you need to for cleaning. By sliding the brush front to back or left to right, you're simply going to pull out a lot of debris. Once you've cleaned the condenser coil from front to rear and left to right and you removed all the debris, which you vacuum up with a vacuum as you pull it out, your condenser coil will be clean. Make certain that you inspect your refrigerator at least twice a year to make sure that coil stays clean for proper operation and proper temperatures in your refrigerator.